So it's been quite a while. So I'm excited to have these in hand once again. Let's just go ahead and peep these already. Hey, what up guys? absxntmind here, back with another sneaker unboxing. And today we're doing a shoe which has been really hyped up over the last couple months, mainly because it re-released and then it's been restocking. I actually just restocked at Nike I think it was like 2 days ago. But I didn't get these from Nike, I got these from Jimmy Jazz from a restock that happened last week. Once again, one of the pages on Twitter that I follow tweeted out that they had done the restock, and I was able to click on the restock, or I was able to get the shoe quick enough in my cart, and I was able to check out and whatnot, so I was able to get it. I totally did not tell you what shoe it is, but I mean, you saw in the title. Today we have the Nike Flyknit Trainer in the, in the Oreo colorway. Now the story's gonna be really interesting because, okay, I already told you how I got them, and these retail for $150. Okay, but the day, you know, unboxings like that have been weird with the paper. Anyway, the point is, I had already done an unboxing for these. I did do an unboxing for these. The only thing is that I never published it because it was a time where I prioritized reselling shoes rather than my YouTube channel. And because of that, I did a terrible, like, it was straight shit, because it wasn't the same quality that I have you guys used to. And I didn't even do an on-feed look for them because, again, I prioritized the money and whatnot. But not anymore. I was able to cop, once again, the Flyknit Oreo Trainer. But when I recorded that original video that I never shared with you guys, that was like back in February, and now it's June 6th. So it's been quite a while. So I'm excited to have these in hand once again. Let's just go ahead and peep these already. Ooh, it's that Flyknit finish on the upper that's just so appealing to me. Let's go ahead and take these out. Whew. The way the Flyknit looks over here on the toe box in the middle part, or the front part of the upper, is just something about it. And these do come with the white laces on this separate plastic bag. But let's just go ahead and get started with the details. Once again, the Flyknit finish on the toe box is just one of the favorite, if not my favorite thing about it. The quality of the Flyknit looks amazing on this one, and then the way the blacks and whites combine over here on the edge of the upper and then just throughout the top part of it, I don't know, it's just really appealing to me, to my eye. The shoes do have fly wire over here for the lacing system, but the lace is nothing really new. Once again, these do come with separate white laces, which, by the way, let me go ahead and release. So yeah, no details on the laces, on the tips of the laces or anything. It's pretty plain laces for this specific pair. And then you do have a Nike swoosh over here on the outside of the shoe and on the inside as well. But then over here in the collar towards the heel area, you do have these couple white stripes adding to that black and white color scheme. And then you also have this set of reflective strips going on the, let me show you both of them, on the heel loop for both the shoes. Pretty big fan of the reflective stuff on Nike sneakers, so I love seeing that in these. And then moving on to the outsole, these do have a really flat outsole with a bit of a waffle pattern going through it. And then you do also have two Nike swooshes, or I mean a Nike swoosh in the middle of the outsole for both shoes. And the tongue, so the tongue has Flyknit Trainer written on the front of it. Okay, so nothing on neither insole, so neither the left or the right shoe have anything on the insole, but the stripes, the white stripes that we can see over here in the heel area, continue on the inside of the collar. But yeah, I think that's really it for these. A pretty simple shoe, right? A pretty simple, not too many details to it. Something that I did just notice though is that the swoosh over here on the outside and the one on the inside is kind of just painted over. So the Flyknit was all black, and then they just went with, it feels like they just went with like a brush and they just painted over the Nike swoosh on top. So I think that's a pretty dope, I guess it just makes it look cooler, I don't know. But right now, let's go ahead and see how these look on feet. But anyways guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings here on the channel. Once again, I think these were still available in the Nike store, or as I'm recording the video, they should still be available there. Either way, go ahead and check the description. I'm gonna try to keep it as updated as possible. But once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Best money bags. Out.